Before performing any work on the arm, make sure the compensation pressure has been relieved or that the compensator being used for the arm has been isolated. Failure to do so can result in the sudden, unexpected loss of fluid. Replacement of the solenoid valve and filter can be performed on a fully assembled manipulator. Use a 3/16 socket to remove all 16 hex head bolts that secure the upper arm top cover plate. Each bolt has an O-ring underneath the head, so be sure to retain each O-ring. Removing the plate will expose the solenoid valve and filter assembly. Filter replacement can be accomplished without removing the solenoid valve. To remove the filter, use a 3/8 hex drive to loosen and unthread the hollow hex plug that holds the filter in place. With the plug removed, you can see the filter inside the housing. Then use a 1/2-inch socket to loosen and unthread the filter. Once the filter is unthreaded, use a pair of needle nose pliers to grab the filter and lift it out of its housing. To replace the filter, place a new replacement filter into the housing and use a 1/2-inch socket to tighten it snugly. Then thread the hollow hex plug over it and tighten it snugly using a 3/8 hex drive. Test the arm and look for internal leaks before replacing any cover plates. This completes the replacement of the filter.